Hi, this is Vincent Hammer from partialCAD. I wanted to make a little unofficial video showing you one new feature that is in the partialCAD Galway release, which is coming very soon. It has to do with the safer build settings, and it's called connector margin width. I've spoken about this before, but it was never on by default, and when I made my first video about it, it didn't even have a UI. You had to set it as a hidden parameter somewhere. But if you're interested in auto relief in general, if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll find Vincent Hammer partialCAD. You'll find lots of videos about that explaining the reasons for auto relief. But what I just want to focus on now is just this one setting here. So basically by default, you get some space, some relief under the major connector. And most people were happy with that because it actually improves the fit at the end, and most people would just use it, never have fit issues, never change the settings, and everything would be good. But there were a bunch of you who really didn't like the seeing the gap along the edge here that you get if you have the relief settings on. So to get the best of both worlds, we now have this setting so that just along the margin of the connector, you basically have no relief, so it touches the scan, and on the inside of the connector, that's where this relief is applied. So we have this static connector relief, and we have this dynamic connector relief, and together they add the relief underneath. So let's take a quick look at the So here in the EXO viewer, you can see how this works. So I got this little sectional view here, right? And as you can see, we're touching the scan here, and here you see the little bit of relief that is added under the connector. And I can basically go all along that edge, and you'll get the same kind of thing. Right, so this gives you a nice tight edge, and it still gives you the space under the major connector. Very good. That's all I wanted to show with this video. Thank you.